Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to another exciting video that can help you grow your hair, repair your hair damage, and also help strengthen your hair strands. Today's recipe is a very effective one, very simple, great for scalp treatment as well as your hair treatment. The ingredients I'm going to use is very easy to find in any grocery store or market. They are all super affordable, so make sure you give this recipe a try if you are looking out to growing your hair. My first natural ingredient is thyme. Thyme is one of the natural ingredients that are great for scalp treatment. It can help soothe irritated scalp due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Thyme can also help you grow your hair thicker, fuller, and much more healthier. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so these are star anise. These are powerful natural ingredients with very strong smell. So whenever you use them in your DIYs, make sure you're not using too much. In this recipe, I'm only going to use 2 star anise. Star anise can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which will in return help you grow much healthier hair. It will strengthen your hair follicles. My next natural ingredient is the bay leaves. Bay leaves are also great when it comes to hair growth. Using bay leaves in your hair care routine can help condition your hair to prevent hair breakages. It is going to strengthen your hair strands. So if you are someone who has a lot of hair shedding, hair breakages, that needs to be treated. Because if you ignore that, your hair is going to thin out and you end up balding. Using bay leaves can help you do exactly that. Alright, so what I did was I put all the natural ingredients in a saucepan, then after that I added some water to it. I didn't use any specific measurement. It all depends on the quantity you are making. These are all natural ingredients. Too much or too less wouldn't harm you. The only thing is the star anise has strong smell, so make sure you're not using too much. You're going to allow this to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once you see the color change, it is time to turn off the stove. You're going to leave this to sit and cool down a little bit, not completely. And I'm going to tell you why. Alright guys, so this is virgin hair fertilizer. You remember I told you do not allow your recipe to cool down completely. You want it warm so it can melt the virgin hair fertilizer. Virgin hair fertilizer is a scalp treatment. It can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. It can also condition your hair. It has this tingling effect that I really love when I apply this in my hair. Using virgin hair fertilizer with this hair growth recipe, it is a game changer. If you haven't tried anything, give this a try. You will come back and thank me later. After adding it to it, make sure you give it a good stir. Because the recipe is still warm, it is going to help it melt completely. I'm going to show you a tip or trick on how to use this recipe. Because you added the virgin hair fertilizer, there is a specific instruction you need to follow. So do not skip any part of this video, otherwise you will miss this important information. At this point, I'm going to add any carrier oil of my choice. Today, I decided to add grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil has vitamins that are great for our hair. It is very lightweight, so as soon as it touches your hair, it's able to penetrate your follicles, and that is one reason why I love using grapeseed oil in my DIY recipe. I added about a tablespoon to this. You don't need much. Because this recipe is only water based, you just want to add some oil to it, which is the grapeseed oil, and even the virgin hair fertilizer is also great to condition your hair. So it makes this recipe powerful. Also, if you do not like that strong smell of this DIY recipe, add your favorite essential oil. It is going to take the smell to the next level. Today, I added a few drops of my rosemary essential oil, but you can add any essential oil of your choice. Once you've added that, give it a good stir and your recipe is ready. This recipe is so powerful, guys. Do not even sleep on it. But if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share this video with at least one person who can benefit. And do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. All right, so here is the tip or trick I was going to talk to you about. Make sure whenever you use this recipe, you warm it up before using it. So you can put the bottle in hot water and allow it to warm up before using it. That way, the virgin hair fertilizer will melt into the recipe before applying it to your hair. Apply this recipe on your scalp and also on your hair strands 4 times a week and massage it into your hair. Whenever you apply this, follow with a leave-in conditioner and a hair moisturizer. If you consistently use this, you will come back and thank me later. Give it a try and let me hear back from you. Also comment below. I want to know your thoughts on this. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for being here.